10 things you really want to look at when you're thinking about selling your home, where you should list your property. The number one, location. Usually an appraiser is going to look about a mile radius of your property. If one side of the freeway to the other side of the freeway can play a drastic difference right there. So knowing your location of where this property is and understanding, is there major roads that it's jumping across? So when you're looking at comps, is there another area that maybe one area to the other area is going to have a different pricing, size and condition. Okay, that's going to be a big factor. If you're looking at a property that's at 500 square feet compared to a property at 4,000 square feet, you can't really factor in that price per square foot, right? Because it's going to change drastically. Usually, the higher you go up square footage, usually the price per square foot actually starts going down. And if you have any particular questions about your property, feel free to reach out to myself or my team, 858-345-7829.